Nnmadi Kanu, how we are treating IPOB leader in detention. DSS opens up. The details. FCT Abuja. Nnmadi Kanu, the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, is being adequately taken care of in the custody of the Department of State Services, DSS. Hamza Pandagori, an official of the agency, has said. Pandogari said this in a counter affidavit filed at the Federal High Court in Abuja. He said, Kanu is receiving adequate and quality medical attention when necessary. The counter affidavit reads in part, the applicant, Kanu, enjoys direct and unrestricted access to medical practitioners who are experts in their various fields of medical practice. The names of the doctors attending to Kanu, according to Pandogari, Dr. O. Fason, consultant cardiologist from the National Hospital, Abuja; Dr. A. Onwagwa, a consultant gastroenterologist, University of Abuja Teaching Hospital; and Professor Mbakwe, consultant cardiologist, Lagos State University Teaching Hospital, were among the experts who had been attending to Kanu's health. He said that apart from the regular routine medical checkups, Kanu gets promptly the required medical attention upon any request or complaint relating to his health. According to the officer, the IPOB leader has never missed his trial based on health ground. He added that DSS had never tortured Kanu, either physically or mentally, while in his custody. His words, that while in custody, applicant enjoys several privileges, including but not limited to entertaining a total number of 6 visitors of his choice every week, 3 each on Monday and Thursday, the days set out by the court as applicant visiting days. Pandagori made all this known in a response to the affidavit by Kanu's lawyer, Maxwell Opara, that Kanu was suffering from some deprivation in DSS cell. Opara had urged the court to declare that Kanu, even though a detainee, was entitled to enjoy his freedom of thought, conscience, and religion as guaranteed by the law. The lawyer then asked the court to make an order directing the respondents to immediately allow Kanu access to facility and material for the practice of his religion, and an order directing them to remove him from solitary confinement, among others. IPOB. Recall that the IPOB leader once said that he was put in a very small room and he did not have access to medical practitioners. He could not go on with his religion practice. They didn't allow visitors to come and check on him. Even the people in the cell cannot engage with him. They had to put him in a separate room. Anyone associating his or herself with Nnmadi Kanu will face the law, his or herself. And this has been a bitter thing to Mazi Nnmadi Kanu. That's why he voiced out to one of his counsel, and that one made a affidavit. And prior to this affidavit, Pandogari reacted to it and said that Mazi Nnmadi Kanu has always been receiving direct and unrestricted access to medical practitioners who are experts in their various fields of medical practices, and some of the doctors were listed out. Nnmadi Kanu has never been denied any access to medical practitioners whenever he complains about his health. But now the court has given an order that they should make sure that he is removed from solitary confinement and allow him to access the medical practitioners, and also for him to be able to practice his religion. And coming in, Nnmadi Kanu, court slams federal government fine in case against IPOB leaders co-accused. The Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, fined the sum of 200,000 by the Federal High Court in Abuja. He was fined the amount of 200,000 for the co-accused against the IPOB leader, 4 of them. He's going to give the 4 of them 50,000 naira each for their inconvenience. AGF Malami was slammed the fine over his absence in the court in the case against 4 accused persons joined in a suit with Kanu. Justice Binta Onyako was furious over the fact that when the case was called in court, the lead counsel of the federal government, Shuaib Magaji Labaran, was nowhere to be found. Nnmadi Kanu gets another date in court as DSS files counter affidavits over rights suits. The federal government, Abuja, has fixed Monday, February 28th, to hear a fundamental rights enforcement suit filed by Nnmadi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. The newspaper stated that Justice Taiwo fixed the date after counsel to the Department of State Services, DSS, Idowu Awu, informed the court that his clients had a counter affidavit which had not been served on Kanu. Awu asked the court for more time to effect the service of the application on Kanu's lawyer, Maxwell Opara. Reacting, Kanu's lawyer said the request of the DSS lawyer, with an attempt to continue to subject his client to solitary confinement and other inhuman treatment. He argued that the counter affidavit by the DSS was already filed out of time. But now the court has given its directive, making sure that he has access to medical practitioners and is able to practice his religion, and also to be taken away from the solitary confinement in which he was. Thank you. We've come to the end of the news. Enjoy the rest of your day.